Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Hyundai Kona battery. First, always prioritize your safety by wearing insulated gloves and eye protection. Make sure the vehicle is completely powered off and the key fob is kept far away to prevent accidental activation. We'll be focusing on the 12-volt auxiliary battery, which is conveniently located in the front of your Kona, not the main high-voltage battery. Once safety precautions are in place, you'll start by disconnecting the battery terminals. Using a 10 mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal first. It's crucial to remove the negative cable before the positive to prevent short circuits. Carefully lift the negative cable off and secure it away from the battery. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable in the same manner. With both terminals disconnected, your next step is to remove the battery hold-down mechanism. This could be a clamp or a strap, depending on your Kona model. Make sure all cables and any attached accessories are completely clear and won't obstruct the battery's removal. Now, carefully lift the battery straight out of its tray. Remember, these batteries can be quite heavy, often weighing around 30 pounds, so lift with care. After removing the battery, take a moment to inspect the battery tray and the surrounding area for any signs of corrosion. If you find any, clean it thoroughly with a wire brush and a baking soda solution to neutralize the acid. When you're ready to install a new battery, remember to connect the positive terminal first, then the negative. This ensures a safe and proper reinstallation process for your Hyundai Kona.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.